So we just got here. I guess they already raced for the first one and Chris got it. I guess Gain's spun really bad. So it's gonna be this single turbo S550. This one's Gain's. Shit is sick, right? Shit, my fault. And then he's racing Chris with the ESS car. I'll show you that one right now. Got Drake right here. A bunch of fools out here already. Let's see. Hellcat Luis right here too. Munch is right here. This is that fool Chris's car right here. Shit, my fault. Sniper Performance. Alright, shit. Shit, they're about to get it again right now. Part 2. Shit.
Bro, how do you
So it's gonna be Chris
Huh?
versus Gaines.
It sucks, right? I'm not the only one. That's
I'm just gonna go on the back with this fool.
Go on my shoulders, bro.
No, hey fool, I'm gonna go on the front, Dick. You know what? I think I'm gonna get into HR2.
Yeah, you sit right here with the legs right here.
Yeah.
Straight.
Hellcat Luis out here, the homie Munch, Drake, the sniper fools. Shit, we out here. Oh shit. We outside. Shit, we outside, fool. Look at that. The Sniper Motorsports, the ESS car. So this fool right now, he's already up one race. So they're gonna do a double or nothing. The other homie right there, Gaines, so he got a big single turbo TH400 car. And that's that fool Drake right there. Yeah, he's like a MotoGP rider. We doing this for the culture, pa. Right? What's up, pa?
All right.
Oh, yup.
Turbo car got it? Shit! Hey, look it! We're like some sardines! Shit! What happened, Monk?
That was a good race.
No, that boy
Oh,
got
damn.
Ah!
Smell like street cars.
What's up, fool? That fool's riding a lawnmower.
I was actually on roller anti like this.
Yeah?
I was ready, man.
Shit. That time that fool used the nitrous button, dog. Fool, wash your car, dog. I'm gonna get it washed for you, pa.
Hey, someone sponsored it.
I'm gonna tell the homie, hey, wash this fool's car, dog, please.
Sponsor that.
So we just got back. Shit.
Turbo spool was gnarly.
So did you hear it the first race?
No, I didn't hear shit the first race.
why-
That second
that's
race,
why that happened.
I heard it, bro, loud as fuck over whoever was riding that bike and then his car.
That fool Biz was popping willies on that
Yeah,
bike.
it's probably Biz on the bike, low key.
You gotta get a 1-for-1 at a different day. We gotta
That's
do
how
that.
the race.
Yeah.
That's how the race should.
Yeah, now you guys are 1 for 1.
Your car's loud as hell too. Like,
Not louder than that turbo school though. That's for sure.
from the inside, I don't hear that much. Yeah, rewind.
On the next show.
Yeah. Something different.
I'm down. I'll race. Any Mustang candy. S550.
Oh, y'all heard it.
I'll race. Hey, all the Hellcats too. Any Hellcat.
Any Hellcat.
MPR, whatever. Marine.
My fault. My fault.
I would have raced.